Hugo taking a crack at the new Model Y redesigned mirror.
Oh, it looks pretty easy.
Yeah, try it and then tell me how easy it is.
He just likes to cry before he does it. I'll do it.
You do it?
Yeah.
All right, let's see it.
Adrian, see what you got, bro. I'll make you mine.
Make that mirror first.
No, I want to make you mine. I already got the mirror. I want you now.
Well, not yet.
Oh, you're not. Not yet what? The mirror or you?
Not yet the mirror. Looks pretty good to me.
You know what? When the engineers decided to make this car, there's a couple things they made easier for us PPF installers and something they definitely made harder. This is super hard to get film down on. I'm gonna bet that 99% of the shops out there leave a big line right here because this was a crazy tension exercise. So one thing we pride ourselves on is the way we do our installs. So when you're doing a film install, the thing that matters the most of whether something will stay in a complex curve is all about film tension and tension control. My guys are experts at that. They're literally the best. So we got this mirror down in one piece, no seams, all the way down, all the way tucked in. It's a matte white car. We had to do it because if we didn't, where there was a line, it would show dirt over time, and we just can't have that now, can we? Check it out. No tension. No tension, so it stays. And then all one piece, no seam. No seams.